Yeah, I'm really excited but also really nervous. The wind blew it over and it fell onto my foot and I still have the scars. Ooh, I think I passed 5 seconds. Feeling energized like I want to feel. Hi, I'm Taylor. I'm originally from Canada. I'm currently living in Hong Kong and I am a content creator, small business owner, wife, and a dog mom to Rosie. As you can see, I'm currently dressed in full Tommy Hilfiger. And if you want to see why I'm dressed like this, want to see what I've been up to lately, and try a workout with me, then please keep watching. Can I show you? It's a really soft, comfy robe. I love it because I just can throw anything on top of it and I just instantly feel like I'm getting a hug. And then this is not only a robe tie, but it makes the most incredible heatless curls. It looks amazing. And then I also love like fuzzy, so anything fuzzy right now. I've worn these so much that they're falling apart, but I just love being warm. If I were to describe my style in 3 words, recently I would say clean, polished grandparent. I get a lot of comments recently saying I kind of look like people's grandpa, and that's probably because I like sweater vests and oversized blazers and baseball caps and loose-fitting jeans and stuff. Honestly, I take it as a compliment because grandparents are the best. Canada to Hong Kong wise, Hong Kong is like, it doesn't get that cold, like the winter time doesn't get under 10 degrees Celsius around. I'm still very much Canadian at heart and I really miss the 4 seasons. So when fall, winter rolls around, I insist that I wear fall winter fashion, even though I look crazy to other people and I sweat like crazy, but I just really love that fashion. First and foremost has to fit me properly. If it fits me well, then I feel a lot more confident and feel better about myself and perform better in my workout. It also needs to move with my body well. And it also has to pass the squat test. Go down and up. That's really important. So I didn't even realize that was a thing. I checked my old workout wear and one of them is completely see-through and I haven't known about that this whole time. So yeah, I'm glad I'm now aware of the squat test. And this outfit is all of the above, so it definitely checks all the boxes and I really love it. So I've got the high-waisted leggings on and I've got the sneakers, and underneath I have the sports bra and I'm wearing the jacket as well. When I saw this, what instantly attracted me was the pattern and the fun colors. When I put it on, it's really smooth and comfortable and very stretchy. Firm and it holds everything in place, but it's also movable and I can take it off with ease, which I love. And then I started researching into the fabric and I learned a new term. It's called moisture wicking. That's the magic word. So it actually brings your sweat to the surface and allows it to dry, so you stay really dry and comfortable. So there's this rice water trend that is supposed to make your hair grow really strong and fast. I've been making my own fermented rice water with pomelo peels inside. I'm gonna give this a try. I'm on day 5 of fermentation. So I think I have to wait a couple of days more. This is what excites me right now. I think this past year, I've learned to realize that there's a lot of things that are just out of my control and there's no amount of worrying or stressing or even trying to plan that will help. So I try to look at each thing a little bit differently. And there's this quote about a photographer will have a scene, and if he can't get a good photo, all he can do is change his lens and try and get a different perspective. So if you look at things from a different perspective, maybe it could be positive, and surround yourself with people that uplift you and make you feel positive. I have a really great group of friends here that are like literal sun rays. Whenever I see them, I leave with a stomach full of cake and so many hugs and a smile on my face. This year, I've been really getting into all the little challenges that have come up. It makes this time where we're stuck at home a little bit more fun. So at the beginning of the year, I wanted to try this mirror challenge where you take your mirror outside and then you take a photo inside the mirror. So I got my giant mirror. I put the mirror leaning against the wall so that I could find a good place to place it. And the wind blew it over and it fell onto my foot, and I still have the scars from that. It cut my ankle. And then I had to get another mirror because I was determined to get it, and I finally got my mirror photo challenge. I'm really excited, but also really nervous. So I'm the type of person, I really like getting up and working out early in the morning because it makes me feel good and energized all day. That's one of my favorite effects of a workout. You get those feel-good endorphins running through you, and I feel like superwoman, and I can take on my day and do anything I want. So I love that aspect of a workout. I listen to a podcast because I like to have something I'm thinking about as I'm working out, and it really gets my brain juices flowing. So I've been really into either audiobooks or mostly podcasts. Yeah, I'm very much a Sagittarius that likes change. I like changing my fashion, I like changing my environment, and I like changing up my workouts because I find it more challenging that way and more interesting and exciting. I think all of the above are really important. Yeah, it definitely has to move with me, it definitely has to breathe and be supportive. So something like this is perfect. Oh, the first store. Oh, I could go, was it People's Place? Oh, yeah. I didn't think it would be too obvious that it would be Tommy Hilfiger. Yeah, interesting. Ooh, it's definitely not sneakers, because so it could be speakers or resistance band. I'm gonna go with speakers. Ooh, Tommy has speakers. Okay, types of workouts. Fit, weight training, cycling. I think I passed 5 seconds. 5 ways to stay busy when staying at home. Cooking, watching YouTube, playing with your pet, trying a new makeup tutorial, creating rice water. Canada, USA, Australia.
Hi Taylor, I'm Samantha. Congratulations, you've been paired with a bar workout. We're going to be focusing on lengthening, strengthening, and toning in our classic People's Place gym bar style. So let's get started.
All right, that sounds amazing. Let's do this.
6, 5, 4, together in the center. Get rep down. More. And down.
Lower and up. Lower and up. So one leg at a time is going away and lift.
Oh, I really enjoyed that workout. That was really challenging. I found that it challenged a lot of small muscles that I'm not used to using, so I definitely tried some new moves. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this more and more and getting stronger and stronger. It really hit so many different areas, and I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling energized, like I want to feel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you Tommy Hilfiger for this fun challenge. If you want to try the full workout, which I highly suggest you do, then head over to the People's Place gym. The video will be linked below in the description box, and let me know what workout type is your favorite. I'd love to know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon. Bye!